Shot clock, shorty, I just can't waste no time. Can we just talk, let's dance more? I hear blah, blah, blah. I got like one more question left in me. Can we do that dance again?
You know, it looks like I'm gonna need to get new gloves soon. O'Neill, these have been phenomenal gloves. I really love wearing them. Got them for a steal off Motorcycle Superstore. But I think it's time for some more legit gloves, to say the least. You want your hands protected. It's a matter of safety, as well as looking good. I mean, how's it going? Now, I want to give you guys a quick little update on the channel. We're getting into the dog days of summer, and why do I bring this up? Well, I'm kind of thinking of getting rid of my Wednesday vlog for now. I really want to focus on 2 times a week, and I kind of want to do it Tuesday, Friday, or Monday, Friday, somewhere around there. I feel that doing 3 vlogs a week, even though I have enough content for it, I'm not putting out the best of the best content that I can be, because I'm trying too hard to make it 3 times a week. And I've been contemplating this for a while, but lately, unless it's something that's like really awesome, like an awesome video, it hasn't been getting the views that I've wanted it to. And you know what? Sometimes you just got to make that judgment call. And I think I finally kind of made up my mind with that. And I think that's what I'm going to do. I think I'm going to go to Monday, Friday, and not really care about when on those days it gets released. Lately, I've been releasing them at 8 a.m. so that way people can see them by noon or before. If you subscribe, it allows you to get content early, so to speak, because you get the notifications. This is a dictatorship. I have to kind of argue with myself from time to time, but you know, this time I came out on top. I'm kind of like the French. The only time I ever win is when I fight against myself. As a married man, you can't win very often. So you gotta take the small battles, and you gotta make them wins. Even if you are arguing with yourself. You know, the only thing I'm not a huge fan of, and I really like the fender eliminator kits, is that back tail. I don't know why they decided to do it that way. I feel like a fender eliminator should be standard, but apparently it's not. You know what? I'm a little too close. So, there you go. You get a spam card. And you get a spam card. Very nice bikes. I kind of like that one better. I like the black with the green accents instead of the green with the black accents. That's just my own opinion, though.
It's got a D&D exhaust on
Is that belt driven?
it. Yeah.
Nice. Check out the YouTube channel.
Alright, man.
Have a good one.
You too, man.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Have a good one. Gotta love doing wheelies first thing in the morning. Well, you're already halfway out there. You might as well go. Like, okay. If you weren't going to, I was, so hey, that's how that works. You know, I love people watching at Walmart just as much as the next guy, but I would much rather go enjoy nature. And you know what? I think that's what I'm gonna go do. Enjoy it. I think way too many people spend too much time on their phones nowadays. I mean, myself included. I'm guilty of that as much as anyone else. But I don't think that enough people get out anymore. And I think that one of the reasons for that is because we are so entranced in being liked and being loved and being famous, that what we care about more is being whatever we want to be, not who we should be, if that makes sense.